Where there's a will, there's a way to supersize and grow your business without knocking over your phone and ring light. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is where there's a will, there's a way. This idiom is most often attributed to an English writer by the name of George Herbert, who used a similar saying in his work Jocula Prudentum. No idea what that means. It was first published in 1640s, way before my time, as was the 1820s when it became popularly known as where there's a will, there's a way. It was phrased a little bit differently. It's also a proverb, so it dates way back hundreds and hundreds of years. And I've learned and found that anything that's from hundreds and hundreds of years ago may very well be applicable today. My sister reminded me the other day, hey, there's 2,000-year-old messages in the Bible, and they're still extremely applicable today. Although people tend to try to ignore them or try to just do what they want to do, whether it's right or not. I hate to say that I'm seeing that nowadays. Don't want to see that, so I think I'll start seeing what I want to see more in the world. So what does this mean? This actually means it's used to say that someone, if they have the desire and the determination to do something, be something, have something, create something in the world and in their life, they have the ability. They will figure it out. I love this because it reminds me that determination, first decision, choosing, decision making, and commitment to that decision and choice, determination, perseverance, being persistent. I don't know about you, but there's a lot of things I've wanted to do and wanted to have and wanted to be and wanted to achieve. And the first time I went out and tried to do something to move me toward that, I didn't get it. Oh my God. Nowadays in this world of instant gratification, there's a whole lot of people that will try something. They'll give it one try. Some people, and I'm sure there's statistics on this, how many attempts people will make at something before they quit and give up. And I think it's usually, most people don't even try. They don't even start. They don't even step out of their comfort zone in order to see if they could do something or not. They just see other people doing it and they get envious and compare themselves to them. And they're like, well, yeah, that person did it. But instead of thinking, wow, that person did it, therefore it means I can too. More often than not, people think that person did it, therefore it's either already been done and there's too much competition, or they're somehow better, different, more special than I am, therefore I can't do it, etc. So we need to get out of that if we want to create what we want in our life, ever comparing ourselves and our business to other people in a way that makes us feel bad. We can do it to drive us and motivate us if that works for you. Some of us, it works for. Other people, it puts them into a downward spiral of negativity. And our mindset is very important when it comes to building and growing and supersizing our business. The saying, where there's a will, there's a way, tells us, and it's so true, at least it has been in my experience, if I want something, if I believe I can do it in even just a inkling of a way, then I know that I will stick to it and figure it out. Somehow or other, I'll do whatever it takes to figure it out. And I mean, in a positive way that doesn't harm any other people or any other things, because I'm not here to make the world a worse place. I personally am here, hopefully, and with all my intention, to make the world a better place. It reminds us that if we have belief and faith in ourselves and the mindset that says, hey, the universe is rigged in my favor, no matter what happens, I'm going to figure it out, then we will, right? Henry Ford, do you think you can or think you can't? Either way, you're right. And it's so, another one that's so true. Wow, I guess I'm thinking in metaphors and idioms and phrases and sayings today. Oh, imagine that. And again, if we are infinite possibility believers and solution focused, we'll get a whole lot further than if we're negative, focusing on the problems, comparing ourselves to others, all those things that make us feel bad. I don't know about you, but when I compare myself to others, a lot of times I feel bad because I think I don't measure up. That's human nature. So guess what? Don't compare yourself to others. That's my solution to that one. Be you, because you are the only person, and it's always your superpower, being yourself, building on your own strengths, because yours are different than anybody else's, and that will shine through as you're building and growing and supersizing your business. So share in the comments below your thoughts about this idiom and expression, where there's a will, there's a way, this proverb. Do you believe that? Guess what? I know that I believe it, but it doesn't mean that a lot of other people I come in contact to believe it. I think literally we come in contact with more people on a day-to-day basis that don't believe the things that we believe than do believe the things that we believe, if that makes sense. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have an awesome day.